All right, this is a little segment piece I'm going to call Dead Audio Formats, but that name might be a little misleading because not all of these are dead. They're just fallen out of favor for, in my opinion, often superior audio formats. They cover a lot of the same functionality, but more modern codecs have taken their place. And the first one I want to look at is Monkey Audio, aka APE files, a lossless format that was popular before FLAC. Monkey Audio. And what this was is this was an audio format that did lossless audio compression before the popularity of FLAC. So I believe it was early 2000s. Yeah, 2000, 2025. Now, this, even though I called it dead media format, they still make it. They're still developing it. It is a proprietary format, but it is completely free to use. And so what we're going to do is we're going to try to install this with Wine. I am using the newest build of Wine. Wine HQ. Some people use bottles and fun things like that, but it's really easy to forget that you can actually just install Wine. They have fresh builds for your operating system ready to go. So you can have the newest version of Wine and just run it like that. And for some low level programs, that works phenomenally. And that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So this is Monkey Audio. We're going to download it. We're going to install it. Actually, I already have the installer here, and I have one of my audio tracks right here so that it'll get copyright striked. And I'm going to go ahead and Wine Mac. And go ahead and minimize this so we don't have to look at that. Here we have the installer. I accept the terms of the agreement. Clause. Oh, I take it back. I guess it's BSD now. Interesting. It used to be proprietary, and that's one of the reasons why it never really took off. So there we go. Let's run Monkey Audio, and it seems to be running absolutely flawlessly. Let's take a peek at here. We got our output. Oh, there's some weird things happening on that menu, but that's okay. We're just gonna leave everything default. I am gonna see if I can drag in the WAV file. No. Add files. Here we are. My computer. Going a long way around the barn here. But there we go. There's our audio file. It's ready to go. And let's compress this. And actually, it did a really good job. And there's the APE file. Now, I believe because this has the ability to decode with FFmpeg, which is really the foundation for all audio, video stuff, damn near, I should be able to just play this file. Sure enough, there it goes. So I'm going to go back to the command line. I'm going to kill the installer here. And I'm going to go ffprobe input tiny ape. And there we go. We have ape audio lossless. How big is this file? So du-sh star, the original uncompressed file was, oh wait, no, this is not lossless. Look at that. That's 2.5 megabytes. Huh. Compressed 24%. Well, maybe it is lossless. Let's make a comparison. I'm going to use FLAC, tiny, and DUSH. And the FLAC and the APE are the same size. So this 11 megabytes threw me off because most FLAC files on average go to about half. This one seems to be 75%. So yeah, this is lossless as I thought. That's good. And it sounds great. Again, you can still use Monkey Audio. It is still clearly being developed. I don't think there's any smooth way of running this on Linux without using Wine. But having said that, once the files are made, they work the same as the FLAC file. Again, I would prefer FLAC over Monkey Audio because even though this did say that it was BSD licensed now. Let's see if I can find anything else about that. Let's see. Let's see. What license is this under? Right here it says all rights reserved. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's not open license. Here we go. Monkey Audio Audio License Agreement 3 Clause BSD. So this is an open standard, I guess, now. That's very interesting. I guess a lot can change in 25 years. Thanks for watching this little video about Monkey Audio. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you love it. And yeah, ooga booga.